Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello and welcome. This is Zara. Thank you for learning in all of my previous videos. Today we are here to record the 7th lesson of the French lesson series. For the 7th lesson, what we will be learning is how to ask what is your name in French. So we will learn how to ask what is your name and how to reply to that question. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so our question is, what is your name? Now there are two ways of asking this, like we saw in the previous video, which was on how are you. So there are two ways. One is a formal way and another is informal. So let's get started with the informal way. The informal way can be used with someone who looks younger than you, and you can have a casual conversation. Alright, so the informal way of asking what is your name is Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? T apostrophe A double P E double L E S. Now pay attention that this word is not pronounced as comment. It's pronounced as comment. Comment tu t'appelles? T'appelles. We will not be pronouncing this last S, so this question becomes Comment tu t'appelles? Which means what is your name? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? And the answer will be, this is how you write the answer. Je m'appelle, and then your name. So my name is Zara, so I will say Je m'appelle Zara. Je m'appelle Zara. So the question is, Comment tu t'appelles? What is your name? And the answer will be Je m'appelle Zara, or whatever your name is. Again, je means I. Literally it means I. M'appelle means call myself. I call myself Zara, but we don't translate it like that. We translate it as my name is Zara, or whatever your name is. So it's Je m'appelle, and then your name. So we'll just do a quick recap. So the informal way of asking what is your name is Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Okay, comment tu t'appelles? And the answer is Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle, and then your name. Alright, so Je m'appelle Zara. Okay, comment tu t'appelles? Je m'appelle. Alright, moving forward, let's go on with the formal way of asking what is your name. The question is Comment vous appelez-vous? Now you have to pay attention to the fact that here you have single L, but in the previous question you had double L. Alright, that's a rule here. I mean that is related to the subject here. Okay, Comment vous appelez-vous? I am pronouncing this S because this is a vowel. If this was a consonant, I would not have pronounced it. So it is Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? This hyphen is very important. Otherwise, the meaning of the question changes. Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? This means what is your name? What is your name? Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? This is a generally preferred way of asking what is your name when you are talking to a stranger, because it's more respectful. Alright, so the way you ask what is your name formally is Comment vous appelez-vous? I'll write that again. Comment vous appelez-vous? What is your name? And the answer will be obviously the same. Je m'appelle, and then your name. Alright, je m'appelle. So my name is Zara, so I will say je m'appelle Zara. Okay. Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Je m'appelle Zara. Okay. So, a recap. When you want to ask what is your name, there are two ways of asking the same in French. One is the formal way and another is the informal way. The informal way of asking what is your name is Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? And the formal way of asking what is your name is Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous, I'm pronouncing S because this is a vowel. Comment vous appelez-vous? And the answer to both these questions will be Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Here you will have double L. Here you have double L, but here you will have a single L. Je m'appelle Zara. And then whatever your name is, you can say that. Je m'appelle, and then your answer. That's all for today. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. So with that, we come to the end of the 7th lesson. And now you're able to greet in French and hold basic conversations in French. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for more videos. Happy learning to all of you. This is Zara signing off. Au revoir.